Esther's first game futsal season. Where's the Esther? Oh, there she is. No! Esther's first game today, and they are on the green team against the golden.
Oh, that's elbow.
Oh, come on.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
Come on. Go, go, shoot it.
Shoot it!
Shoot it!
Oh.
Don't pick it up!
This is Utah. Hi guys, this is my Christmas cactus. It's not Christmas at all. It's January, but it's winter. I'm wearing my what is this? Apron. Working here at the kitchen, and I see their flowers. They're blossoming, and I'm so happy. They're just flowering once in a year. So when they get their flower, it's so worth it to wait. Hey Panther, no, don't. Yeah, that's the thing when you have a cat. It's like you're waiting for the blooms and then the cat will just eat them. So Panther, why are you guys mad with this lady? Hey, don't kiss my cam.
Look at the robot.
Mop. Where you guys at? Ay, sus.
What's going on? What's going on?
Mocha, what that is? Mocha, what's that?
It's a chair.
It's a before the baby, not here, buddy. You see that one? Okay, one more time, babe. Getting it on the video. He doesn't like it to leave. Now you're a stranger. Oh. Go get him, buddy. Are you dancing? You gotta make the baby awake. See? Dance. Okay, twirl. Oh, he's getting you. You're from the garage, so that's why. You did a great job, buddy. Hey! One is sleeping baby there, and these two are busy with their gadgets. Yeah. He wants to play.
slower for you, huh? It's a little slower for you, huh? Give me that. Give me.
Alright guys, I'm just flexing this earrings. This is from my friend and she's selling this online or physical too. So you can just go directly to her and you can just order. There's a practice tonight and also we have home fellowship at the house, but Jason is there, so he's the one taking over. Anyway, he's the one preaching or teaching tonight, so it's my turn to bring Esther here, but I need the praise and worship first before I go. And while they are praying, I just sneak out.
Is my off-ramp. But we don't park at the sign and say, I found the sign.
Oh, what is that? What's happening? Oh, wow. Hiya. Oh, you're so comfy. You are so comfy. Oh, oh goodness. Oh, goodness. You are so cute. So cute. You still want to sleep? Peekaboo. What? No, 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 no. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Oh man.